So guys, I'm home. So let's try the latsa pizza. Sir JB now. I will try the latsa pizza meat lovers. I will try if it's delicious. The meat lover that you said. So this is Gamer will eat it first. What did you say? It's delicious or not?
Okay pala.
What's that face? Delicious or not?
Delicious.
Oh. Let's go. I will try it. So Demar tried it first. So I will try it. It's delicious. The beef is really delicious. This is my second slice of pizza and Jamer also ate 2 slices. You know what guys, this is my first time to order pizza at Latsa Pizza because it's quite expensive. It's quite expensive the pizza there. I always buy pizza on the highway. It's like 130 pesos. 130 for one pizza. And it's cheese flavor and Hawaiian. So this is my first time to eat Latsa Pizza. So thanks to Sir JB, I can explain it, but it's very delicious. I really like the meat lover flavor of pizza. Thanks Sir JB for recommending the pizza and thank you for buying. I'm busog now. I'm not gutom. Thank you Sir JB. So I really enjoy eating the meat lover pizza. Thank you so much again Sir JB for the experience. For the experience. I hope you will not diet like 7 days. Because your wallet will divorce you again. Thank you so much again Sir JB.